Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Subaru Forester X, stock reference number 5703. The shape runs from the second month 2008 through to the first month 2011. It has an EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. EJ25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left power door mirror has some scratches. Left front door 1 small dent, left rear door 4 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Bumper cover, a few scratches and scuffs. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate has no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons.